You have a story about like a creepy stalker or someone?
No, but like someone like tattooed my dad's face on their chest.
Oh, that's me.
I knew it was you. I knew I'd seen you somewhere. So like, yeah.
Yeah, I was at an Italian restaurant and I was like, "Ek aakhri pasta, please."
Yeah, so like I feel like people are a little extreme. Like once, basically like the security guard in my building, okay? Once I was, during COVID, we had to go outside and do the Bartan thing and stuff. So I'd gone outside to do it, and suddenly like my security guard, like the security in the building was doing this. Okay.
Can I hold this up for you? Can I hold
To
this
me.
up for you? I'll hold this up.
That's it. This is only action. Okay, he was doing this up to me. So I'm like, he's making a heart at me, right? So I was telling my mom, I was like, he's doing this. She's like, no, he's saying namaste. I was like, no, he's doing this. He's doing this. And then no one believed me. And then a week later, he wrote me a love letter. Then everyone believed me.
Oh no!
So that's why.
And have there been like creepy fans ever DMing you, writing you love letters?
I don't open my DMs. It's scary.
You don't open it?
Yeah, what is this? Suddenly like a, like a something.
Where are you at in the social media stuff? What do you post? Do you not post?
What?
Like your life?
I post.
You post a
yeah,
lot?
Yeah, not a lot. Like, I think now I have phases. Would you like upload stuff like on Facebook and BBM if shit was going down?
Yeah.
I would make my DP black. Like if I was having a fun, make a dot as my status.
Yeah.
I would do that. Right? Did you not?
You take your WhatsApp DP off when you're fighting?
Now I don't because my picture's damn nice. But like I used to.
So
Okay.
when do you do it?
Like if you're fighting with someone or you're sad about something, then just make your DP like black. Then everyone will ask you what happened.
Oh.
And then you have to be like nothing, whatever.
Nothing. Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh.
I had no idea. I'll just put my DP as like white.
No, it has to be black.
Make it white.
Black.
Make it white. What's happening? All is good.
No, it's like,
Yeah.
do you switch on your read receipts when you're upset so people see that you've read it? No?
No, that's a lot.
Oh, that's
yeah,
a good
because
power
like
move.
I don't want to respond, but I want you to know that I've read it. And my read receipts are off, but then I switch them
But
on.
if theirs are off, then they still can't see yours.
Yeah.
Like it's a bit technical. You
That's
know?
okay. She's looking at me. She's like this. That guy's like. That's funny.
Whatever,
yeah.
guys.
No, but tell me one thing. There must be shit that you don't want to post online because of like you've decided not to. But like your life has this thing that's different from most of us, which is PAPs. How do you deal with that?
I mean, honestly, like I'm fine with them, but I don't like that piche dekho and like turn around. I hate those. Like, when they come from like behind angles and then they're like guess who and all of that stuff. It's like and like they take all these, it's really not nice.
Right.
Yeah.
So you guess their name and they don't really care. They just got their shot.
Yeah. I just don't like the piche dekho, otherwise I'm fine.
And it's got to be weird, right? Because when you know that you are on camera, if you are having a bad day, you're like, fucking this shit, but you can't because you're going to be papped.
I mean, I honestly just like have the bad day. Like I don't really like when I was leaving the gym recently, they were like, oh look, she's so sad. Like, this must have happened in her life. Breakup ho gaya. And I'm like, firstly, you lift 170 kgs and do deadlifts. Then we'll see everyone sad at the gym, dude. Like who's not sad? And they're like, no, breakup hai to pakka iske liye sad hai. And all. I'm like, I just came out of the gym. I'm exhausted. Give me a minute. Yeah,
Right.
so I don't like when they read into my moods.
Oh, because
Like my face is always like, when they think like I mean
your
something.
face is
but I
always
don't.
like what? Can you make
Like-
the face?
Like it's literally this all the time.
Right.
They think it means something but means nothing.
Can I please tell you? So recently, I was at the same venue as Ananya, and there were paps outside, and she hadn't come yet. And I got out of a rickshaw, and they could just see my back, okay? And they started like screaming, and I just turned
ACP.
Yeah, and I just turned around because there was commotion, and as I turned around, everyone's cameras go down, and I was like, oh. Okay, I'll just leave there.
No matter what movie screening I go to, they think I'm the writer.
But you give like writer energy.
Yes, I am Bengali also. And man, I have that underpaid kind of a face.
You can raise an invoice. and stuff.
Yes, I wrote Jawan.
I got like Piku.
Hey, I wrote your next movie.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I also wrote it.
Yes.
Same.
Yeah,
No, like I do everything and I post everything, but then I take out my nazar every like week.
every week. you
How
know.
do you take it out?
Yeah. My like help in my house like does the mirchi thing. You know the
Lovely.
mirchi thing? You all know the mirchi thing, nah?
Yeah.
So then, like, if it smells a lot, that means you have nazar. Like, if the mirchi burns a lot, then you have nazar.
Okay.
I don't know the
Okay.
science behind it, but it's
Yeah, there
it
is-
happens.
It's legit, yeah.
It's
yeah.
legit.
I believe you.
There's a science behind it for sure. Yeah. I did my BTech in
Nazar.
lovely professional university. Here's the I put a picture of my dogs one. Okay, and I don't believe in all this nazar wazar and all. Okay, and Sunday I put it. Monday my dog had some injury on his front paw, and after that I was like,
Yeah.
oh God, nazar lag gayi.
Yeah. अरे
So-
ऑनलाइन नजर लग ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि लोगों का अटेंशन स्पैन इतना कम है कि नजर के पहले उन लोग साक्षी का रील देख रहे हैं.
Do you guys believe in nazar? Do you guys?
Yeah, my mom put 2 black dots behind my ear before I came.
Before
today.
coming for this
yeah.
show?
And everyone thinks I don't like shower and I have like something dirty behind my ear. But my mom just keeps putting it again and again.
Do you believe in it though?
Yeah.
Do you believe in it?
No, so if I believed in it, my life wouldn't be so online. Like, my dog also makes money.
Your dog makes money.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I gotta give my dog a talking to.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna be like, you fucking pussy. एक post किया तेरा पैर टूट गया. Have you seen Sakshi's dog? He's driving a fucking Tesla right now. Okay, so have you ever done? You don't believe in all this?
No. But, like, I mean, now I'm like, if I say so confidently I don't believe in it, then, you know, then Nazar will be like, yo, what's up? Can't relate it like that.
Where are you at in your relationship status?
Yeah, married with a kid. My kid is yeah. No.
How old-
Come on, don't clap. When I say I have a kid, it's very easy.
How old is your kid, bro?
She's 3.
Okay.
Yeah, just out of warranty. And
Yeah.
but,
I-
I don't know. People always say this that you know you have kids to save a marriage. This one will break it.
Why? What's your kid doing, bro?
Like she watches a lot of YouTube. She's very she has a British accent. And,
Your kid has a British accent?
Yeah, my kid has a British accent.
Amazing.
Kid sounds exactly like me. Yeah. I love breaking out into a British accent.
Can you mentor her?
I don't think you want that.
Okay. Actually, I want.
Actually, I won't.
Why does your kid have, is it because of like Peppa Pig or something?
Yeah. It's
Peppa
because of
Pig.
that. She's like, get up, daddy. And like, I'm scared. And now, like, but she's very British in her essence, where she uses divide and rule.
Oh,
You and
Between
your
me and my wife.
lovely.
And thing is that even if we get divorced, I know who's getting the kid. Not me. Also, we don't know who will pay whom alimony. Okay. But yeah,
She'll keep the kid and give you alimony. That's good.
I think so.
That's a win-win for you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that you don't post too much about your wife online.
Yeah.
Why? You want to cheat or what?
I post a lot about my baby. My wife doesn't want to be part of my shit, and yeah, she's like, yeah, don't put me on.
Here's the thing, man. My wife is like, hey, man, don't post about me.
Yeah.
My wife is like camera conscious and shit. But she's camera conscious.
I
Okay.
get it.
Yeah. But I post about my wife every Raksha Bandhan.
Man, here's the best reel in the fucking world.
Ananya, here's
My
the
favorite.
The reel is for context. The reel is that I'm talking to my wife, and I set it up with my wife was having a bad day, but to cheer her up, I did something sweet, and then I kiss her on the cheek, and then I say Happy Raksha Bandhan to you.
That's so.
Okay, and it's like 8 seconds, but it's the most viral piece of content I've ever made. Can you imagine? I can work day and night on my stand-up, and then like, oh, Raksha Bandhan wala chala na. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't post anything more about my wife, so they think that like I just call her Didi all day. So, dude, I remember we checked into a nice hotel once. Okay, and I was just like, yeah, I'm sorry, I'll just give you my license. And he was like, sir, I recognize you. I was like, oh, cool, you recognize me? And he's like, of course, and ma'am also. Ma'am, Happy Raksha Bandhan. She was like, you fucking asshole. You know what? Remember when I said don't post? Start posting other shit. Sakshi, where are you at in your relationship status, man?
I am single, freshly single, like only been
You post about him all the time.
posted
to.
about him.
Used to.
I'm very invested in Sakshi's relationship, by the way.
So, for context, you broke up with this person when?
I broke up with him in Feb, and then we lived together for 3 more months, and then we broke up.
Okay, so you guys lived together after that. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we
what was
only
it?
had
That's the notice period.
What was that about? Why do you guys live together for 3 more months? To give it a shot?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair. And how did that shot work?
I'm freshly single.
Now, you guys must have seen some videos of her and her boyfriend, and her boyfriend was just like,
Ex-boyfriend.
Why do you keep saying boyfriend? It's hurtful. It's ex-boyfriend.
So every time I meet Ronak and his wife, they'll be like, we should do dinner. Like for 4 years with me and my ex, they're like, let's do dinner, let's do dinner. Then the last time, we've never done this dinner. Huh? Then the last time we met, they were like, oh, let's do dinner. And I was like, oh, we broke up. And then for 2 minutes, both of them paused. And then they were like, okay, so bring sushi over sometime.
yeah. So we're like, okay, then you eat dinner at home and give us a call. But your boyfriend was a cool guy to hang out with.
Yeah, my ex-boyfriend was a cool guy.
Your
to hang out
boyfriend.
with.
So how's new single life been?
Honestly, the dating pool kind of trash, and I haven't been approved on Raya, which is why I'm here actually to ask Ananya for a reference.
I'm not on Raya.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not on it, but like, I've seen on it. I swear, I know I'm acting weird, but I'm actually
Right.
not on it.
You never been on it?
No, I've never been on a dating app.
And where are you at right now in your relationship status?
I'm being mysterious. Like
being
with you
mysterious.
guys, but not...
Got it. So
Yeah.
that means you're with someone.
Huh?
Huh?
I don't want to say. My mom said to like be mysterious.
Your
But she
mom
put the
said-
nazar, no?
She put the nazar,
Yeah.
say.
So nothing bad can happen. Say.
I'm being mysterious. I want to be. Let me be mysterious. I feel like with me, I've never said like openly. Like I make like funny jokes and all about it. If you know. But yeah. But then it's like I feel like just to not say it till it's like permanent. I feel that's what
Got
I'm
it.
feeling right now.
Got it.
Yeah. But I also like will say it in 5 minutes. Also, I'm that kind of person.
Okay.
Come back to me.
Should we take a tea break or something? And I guess for you, the consequences are a lot more to share
Yeah,
something about your
yeah,
private life.
yeah.
I mean, this show is not as much about like trying to get something out of you as it is about just fucking talking. But I understand that there's consequences of what you say.
Yeah.
Okay, has it happened before that you said something?
Yeah.
What happened?
Do you like not know me? Like my whole life, I just keep saying.
But okay, so can you tell us the story of what happened and then like you regret it because you said it?
I mean, like, everyone
it's already
knows,
out, right? It's already
I mean,
out.
honestly, I don't regret anything that I say.
don't
Like, I feel like, I learn from everything.
it.
So now I've learned that I should not say things.
But what was the moment you learned?
You know, like, we did this round table thing. And I feel like I should have worded my statements differently.
Correct.
Yes.
And you and Sid are good friends too.
Yeah, we've done like 2 movies together.
Keraya and
Kho Gaye Hum Kahan.
Kho Gaye Hum
Which was
Kahan.
also on Netflix.
And Keraya is on.
I can't say Netflix.
Okay, don't cancel my check.
Sniper at my head, so I'm not saying what it's on.
It's on Raya. Okay?
Okay, so Ananya is coming in a movie called CTRL.
Control, yeah.
Control.
So it's directed by Vikramaditya Motwani. I knew everyone would clap for that. It's a screen live film, which is really cool. So we shot the whole film like on iPhones and like on laptop screens and CCTV cameras. So at no point did we use like a motion picture camera, which was a very different way of shooting. So I had to like hold it the whole time, the camera, and shoot the thing. So
Nice.
it's pretty cool. And so yeah, it's about like AI and like two influencers and their lives and how it's influenced by AI and I don't know how much. It's a bit of a mystery also. So
Okay, so they're two influencers, and how do they know each other?
they're like dating. I don't know how that is. That good? Would you date an influencer?
No.
Oh, watch it, please watch it. It's damn good.
Where is it coming?
4th October, only on Netflix. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, should we start the questions?
Okay.
Yes.
I am 29, female. My first boyfriend at 17 scarred me a lot by telling everyone that I'm a bad kisser. That's mean. It hurt me so much back then, but I can safely say that my husband has often praised my kissing chops. I'm traveling for a work expo where I bumped into the same ex. It's going to get off. I promise you I'm not attracted to him at all, but purely for revenge purposes. I gave him the best makeout of his life and walked away. He's been chasing me since then, but I want nothing to do with him. I'm scared our spouses might find out. What do I do?
This is her villain origin story.
Yeah, it was probably like
Right.
a first kiss or something.
Yeah.
I think, you know.
Which is fair. At 17,
Yeah.
17, everyone's trying it for the first time. If they are.
It's not just bad kisser, you're a bad person. Right?
She's the bad person or he is the bad person?
I'm just talking about.
It's not like if you're good at kissing at 17, they call you a prodigy or something.
Yeah, it shouldn't matter what people tell you at 17, right? Like,
Yeah.
you know, my teacher told me at 17 that I'm bad at maths. I am still. Now, I'm not going out.
Yeah, you're not going to go in front of that maths teacher and be like, E equals MC squared. Don't tell my wife I said that.
So in school, my second boyfriend in school, he said he cheated on me. Okay, like basically he went for a football camp or something, and then when he came back, everyone was like, "Oh, he kissed some chick," you know, and you know, like I was really upset. And then I confronted him in school, and I had like this whole showdown, and I was like, "You suck," and all of that stuff. So then we broke up. Okay. Then later in the day, he like BBM'd me and he was like, oh, I didn't actually cheat on you, but I wanted to break up with you, so I made up the fact that I cheated on you. And now I'm like, I don't know what's worse. You know, like it's both are bad.
Just tell me.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
like, yeah. So that was a bit weird.
Which school?
Dhirubhai Ambani
Oh,
International
okay.
School.
Just asking for my daughter.
I'm a mentor, don't worry.
Okay, yes, please.
Okay, so you were also approx maybe 17. So that's-
Yeah, like more like 14, but yeah.
Oh, but you're still like it's still.
I'm still upset.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any villain origin stories like this?
Honestly, I think I was always a little bit of a bitch. Since the beginning. I feel like a lot of people have their villain origin story because of...
Because of you?
Yeah. Actually, like, I'm very harmless. Like, I feel like I haven't been cheated on, but I've also not cheated. But, like, I did get cheated on once, but I found out after 2 years of the breakup.
Okay.
So it doesn't count.
She found out in the afternoon also.
I find out anything in 1 second, I find out.
Oh, you always find
Yeah,
out.
I find out every. But if you also getting on cheated on, I'll find out.
Tell
Like I know
me, bro.
everything.
Have you ever caught someone cheating?
Yeah, because I heard from. Not wait. I have.
Who? Say na.
No, I can't say all. The best thing about me is I don't reveal my sources. I don't like give names. That's the
Okay.
best thing about
Say
me.
it like a blind item.
No,
Yeah, say it like a blind item.
no,
Arey, we'll delete it from the edit. You tell us.
no. No, but this
One
is
second,
about
one second.
myself.
It's about yourself?
Yeah, it's happened to me again.
You
one more
walked in
time.
on someone
no,
cheating on
I
you?
heard from someone else. You know, my cheating story. I mean, the cheating that happened on me were very weird stories because the second time someone cheated on me, I don't know firstly why everyone's cheating on me so much, but when he
Yeah,
cheated
I would
on
be
me,
very scared of Akhri Pasta.
no, he's so harmless. Everything is like, I'm a joking, so no.
So then that's why they're cheating.
Maybe. Maybe. No.
Okay, what was the question? The question is that
Have you
this
got
person did a revenge kiss.
Yeah.
But it's a grey line because it's not really cheating.
No, it's cheating.
very
It's
But
bad.
it's cheating.
Honestly, a supportive husband, if she went and told him, he'd be like, babe, I'm so proud of you.
Actually, no. A supportive husband would have been like, okay, मैं उसको बोलता हूँ. हाँ, she's a damn good kisser now.
Yeah.
I think the husband should kiss the next guy and
No,
be like, see, this is what I learned from her.
That's a good one.
And this guy is just going around everyone telling you're a bad kisser. Like hoping for payoff later.
That first guy.
Yeah.
Dude, he invested in his teens
Yeah.
for his 30s. This guy's financed with lip kisser. Ankur Chatiku or whatever.
But also, he the one. She's a little dumb. Like, just because someone told her at 17 you're a bad kisser, now this can't be your. Like, grow up.
But
Yeah.
No, it's not like she saw him, then again that feeling came up in her, you know? It wasn't like she was like, she didn't go find him and do it, you know?
it's not like she took a flight, went to his house.
She's not crazy.
Said, kiss me now.
She's like, sir ne kya sikhaya tha? One. But like her hero arc ends here, right? She makes out of him, the credits start rolling,
But
audience
then
is
there should
getting
be
up
like
and
a
crying.
you know, post-credit DC Marvel type of situation.
Oh, there should be
Yeah.
a post-credit.
Where she tells her husband.
No,
oh.
he goes and kisses that man's wife.
Or what?
I'm coming for your job of writing.
Guy,
No, maybe she should say like you are a bad kisser to him then. Then he'll live with it for so many years. Then
that's
I
what
don't
she
know.
should do. She should tell his wife, hey, your husband came on to me and he sucks at kissing. I feel sorry for you.
Oh, nice.
Could do that also.
Yeah. So then he breaks up. He's a bad kisser, so then he joins Raya to learn to kiss. When I was like maybe 16 or something, I asked a girl out, and just because she was hot, okay, and she said, why did you ask me out? And I said, because you're hot. And she said, you know, Your Honor, you're very materialistic.
Oh, damn. So now you still think that?
Yeah, so now I'm always like, oh, I'm not with a person because they're hot. But it's like with my wife, I'm just like, yo, I'm not materialistic. And my wife was like, so you're saying I'm not hot? What? Then I'm like, no, you're hot. But I would be with you if you want. What do you mean by this, Rona? So then I'm just like,
Happy Raksha Bandhan.
I'm 27F and my fiance is 30. We are trying to save money for our wedding, so we are overworked and bigger often. Last week, he told me that for 3 days, he would only be available on text because of work. I didn't question it. For those 3 days, he was very patient, agreeable, sweet, and he was a steady rock for me going through emotional agitation. On the 4th day, he revealed to me that I had been talking to an AI version of him and that a tech giant paid him to be part of the experiment. The issue is that he was just trying to collect money for us, honeymoon and shit. But I'll always compare his flawed human version to the nicer version that he was for those 3 days and be unsatisfied. What do I do?
so there's like an ideal version which is not affected by moods, right? So I'm assuming the AI version was like his learned how he talks and was just talking like he talks.
Yeah, he was on his best day every day. You like this?
Good idea.
Yeah.
And that's weird, right? Because like you can emotionally cheat on your boyfriend with your boyfriend.
Yeah.
This Rab de Bana Di Jodi.
How do you think he feels? Like,
Does he know that she's like liking the AI?
like you know how this person thought that this was her boyfriend, but her boyfriend was scamming her for money for him essentially.
No, he wasn't scamming.
He was earning.
Yeah.
Their
Provider.
wedding, dude.
Have you been scammed?
You know what living liquids is, right?
It's,
So there's
Yeah,
lots
yeah.
of scamming happening in this alcohol.
Right.
Oh, yeah,
so
yeah.
when you just Google the number, someone has changed the number on
Even at
Google.
Pinky Wines.
Yeah.
This is a very popular scam in Bombay.
Yeah.
This is,
Yeah.
This is like an introduction to Bombay. And
I'm assuming that your number is not on any database that you get.
No, I leaked my own number once by mistake.
You leaked your own number.
Yeah, okay, so basically I was doing this interview. Now it's changed because of some reason my phone got taken away. So basically, we were doing there was a press conference and the interview was starting, and some reporter came and asked me for my number, like to do like journalist things, like ask questions and all. So then I gave the number, but the interview had started, and they put it on YouTube with my number, and then it got leaked.
So all those things you weren't seeing in your Instagram DM.
Yeah.
In hell, bro.
Crazy. Then once I leaked Suhana's number by mistake. Because basically I was FaceTiming her, and then I was like, Suhana's not picking up, and I screenshotted the picture and I put it on Instagram saying, missing Suhana, she's not picking up, and her number was there.
So then what happened?
Wow.
Then she's like, called me and she's like, listen, my number got hacked. I was like, oh my god, like what happened? Like because I deleted it quickly and I didn't know. So I was like, oh no, like what happened? Suhana, that's such a crazy story. But then someone told her that I leaked it.
And she's never been to Mannat since. When I was a kid, I had John Abraham's number.
Wow.
I had, dude, this is right after Doom. All of us are like, bro, हम लोग का स्कूल खत्म होएगा, हम लोग बाल लंबा करेंगे. We'll get Sakshi's haircut. And then my friend was like, bro, yeah, John Abraham ka number hai. And all of us went to our landlines and called. He never fucking answered. But I know it was John Abraham because his caller tune was boom, boom.
I am 22 male dating 24 female. We've dated 3 years, and when we started, she was very coy about oral sex. Then
Correct.
Then one day on my birthday, she offered to put ice cream down there and do the deed.
Wow.
Oh.
That's great.
It sounded super exciting, but it's numbingly cold. Causes shrinkage and gets
I just want to say, Sir to bas bahana hai, Papa ko ice cream jo khana hai.
Okay, it gets numbingly cold, causes shrinkage, and gets very sticky. I try my best to keep the erection going so as to not look like a loser. But it's been 2 years and I can't keep lying to this girl.
You've been putting ice cream for 2 years? That's...
For 2 years. That's commitment. That's commitment.
She has never tried to do it without any ice cream. Every time we're out and she eats ice cream. Every time we're out and she eats ice cream, she's winking at me. And I only feel worse. What do I do?
That's good. That's good.
He's got to do the Turkish ice cream thing.
Do you think she tries different flavors every time?
I'm sure, yeah.
Yeah.
My favorite is, he's saying it causes shrinkage. She ordered Baskin Robbins and she's like, what the f*** is a softie?
So she's been doing it for 2 years
That's
of
a
it.
long time.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
He's just,
He's not saying anything.
it's really not his problem. At some point, you get over the taste.
What do you mean?
Like every time you can't be like, yeah, babe, here's some ice cream. Like, come on.
I'm more concerned
Chop,
about
chop.
her sugar levels. Like, is she okay?
I don't think she's doing it that often.
Oh,
She's not
okay.
doing that. Yeah, you know what? That's, her doctor's like, you have diabetes. Now she's putting nimbu achar on it. Is it flavored condoms for oral sex? Or flavor?
Yeah.
Flavored condoms. What? They make all crazy flavors, dude. They
Pan
make
masala and all that.
pan masala. Right? Yeah.
I've just heard
Sabudana. Sabudana.
Sabudana for those.
Varun Thakur had a bit about Sabudana ice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. They have a Parle G. You have to dip it in chai.
Okay, here's the thing. I get the appeal of like the ice cream for the girl, but like after 2 years, it's Like, there are only 31 flavors. We all know that. 2 years is a long time.
Yeah.
Come to that number of 30.
Baskin Robbins.
Oh, okay. I was like, no, but she only orders some Baskin Robbins.
I mean,
No, she didn't say that.
No,
She
sorry.
didn't say that.
Guys, I'm getting very technical. I'm very concerned about this man.
Every time a new ice cream shop opens, she's like, okay, that's 46 now. Do you think that it was to like discourage him?
Yeah, I feel like
Not
put
yet.
something in the ice cream that she doesn't like eating.
you want him to tamper the ice
Yeah.
cream.
Oh,
And then she'll be like, bro. Oh yeah, that'll probably, like I was gonna say garam masala, but then that won't be good for him. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe I'm, yeah, no.
yeah. So you're saying like give her something to discourage. Like if she has got a nut allergy.
Don't kill her, but like, yeah.
You know what? That's my worst fear. Where like I think I'm doing something damn hot, and then the guys are like sending you messages.
Yeah, that's a fear for sure. And
Yeah.
And because it's like it's such a sex is such a vulnerable point, you don't tell that person at that point, hey, kya hai? Bakwas. Bakwas. It's bullshit. You have any stories like this where you've not been able to tell the person that you're a good guy, but like this thing you're doing is not?
Like I can't say anything. Like I can't say no. Like I'm very bad. My mom bought me a book that said how to say no.
Okay,
I'm bad at like saying no or like confronting people.
That's how I got her on the show, by the way.
I feel it now. Like Netflix.
Oh my god, I got it. He should tell her my ex used to do this all the time.
Oh.
It will stop so hard.
After 2 years, you say this.
Yeah, he like, you know, I love when you do this because it reminds me of when she used to do the
That's
same
perfect.
exact
That's-
thing.
I
The
think
thing.
I think she'll leave him then.
That's a risk he has to take because he can't do this forever.
that's the perfect solution. You're going to shut Ronak's show.
Yeah, that's pretty good. But is she going to be like 100% jealous about it?
yeah.
Yeah, what?
If someone told you, oh yeah, my ex used to do this.
Bro,
Okay,
bad shit.
Chal. Let's say you wear a black dress that you like, and you're like, okay,
Oh
I'm
my
looking
God.
good. And oh, my ex used to wear this black
If you
dress.
say ex only, na,
Huh.
it's done.
Yeah?
Yeah, forget about her.
So that's it. That's how you control women.
Yeah.
Shit, we gave away our power.
Is that how we get patriarchy back? Oh, you know, my ex, she was a strong, independent woman.
Dude, it would work.
Wait. Before you go, she's got to promote her film one
I
more
did
time.
already.
You want to say something more about your film?
Nothing. Yeah. What do I say? You want to? I
The
don't.
movie is called CTRL.
Control. But it's spelled like CTRL, but it's called Control. And it's coming. I said it's coming 4th October on Netflix. Please watch it. I'm
Sam,
gonna
you said
leave it there.
6th.
Did I? No, I said 4th. 4th, right?
Did she say 12th? She
No,
said
I
12th.
said 4th.